G'day, how you doing? Adam Williams here from Easy Way Photography. Here we are at the magnificent Rainbow Valley, only about 5 minutes before the sun sets, and look how those shadows are reaching right out to that gorgeous sandstone formation there. It's really going to start glowing red once this sun sets, so I'm just going to grab a couple of shots handheld before I need to set up the tripod and take a few as the sun sets. Thanks again for watching along. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.